Hey guys, Tony here again. So by request, I am going to be looking into the chart for BigC. As some of you guys know, I do hold a 40K position on this, and unfortunately, because I haven't seen anything run up on BigC, I haven't seen any big moves, and I do think it's going to start turning into a bearish, more into a bearish momentum. I do think that, next time this thing runs up, I will probably sell. Unfortunately, on the day chart, it does look pretty bearish. If we do hit this trigger on the MACD and we cross it towards the bearish side, it doesn't look good. Like I'm just telling you guys right now, it doesn't look good. And I do think we will see lows again. As of right now, I do think Monday, if we do cross on this hour MACD on the bullish side, last time this happened, we ran from $72 all the way close to like $85. I do think the next time this happens, and if we do hit the 85, 83 mark, I'm going to be cashing out of BigC. I've been holding it for too long. It's not doing any momentum. I'm pretty sure I can make more money somewhere else. I don't want to be stuck back holding for a while, and it's just, at this point, I'm just losing money just holding on to BigC. Am I still bullish on BigC long term? 100%. I think BigC is going to do amazing things, but as of right now, there's just too much money to be made other places, and I think my time and my money is better spent in other stocks than trying to catch the run up on BigC, even though these movements are pretty good. What I do think is going to happen as of right now, I do think BigC, whereas as what the chart is showing me, I do think from right now, I think we are going to run up to this point of around $82. I do think we're gonna hit $82, $83, somewhere around this range, maybe even 86, right? But I do think this is what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna run up back to these previous highs, and I think that we're gonna hit maybe the $85 level, because that was former resistance right there. After that happens, I wholeheartedly think that we're gonna go from here, we're gonna retest these highs, and then we're gonna go all the way back down, test these lows again of $70, and quite possibly I do think we're gonna pass it, and we're gonna keep going all the way down. So after right here, after it touches this, I do think it's gonna break down, and I do think we're gonna go back down to about $63. That's as far as TA goes. That's what I'm looking at. It's probably gonna happen. Is that actually gonna happen? I don't know, but I've been holding, like I said, I've been holding BigC for far too long, and there's more money to be made in other places. So I think the next time we do hit this run up towards over, I think my break even is like 81 something. So as soon as I break even, or as soon as the hour chart on the MACD starts looking, bearish again, I do think that on Monday we are going to see a break upwards on the hour chart. But as soon as it actually starts trending down, I will probably sell immediately. I don't think I'm going to be holding BigC for much longer. And as overall the trend, we are about to cross the MACD on the day chart. And I do last time this happened, we actually went down a pretty solid amount, which is what I'm scared of. Last time we went from 108 down to almost $63. Last time we had this bearish momentum on the day chart, and that's a solid 40 points from there, which is kind of scary. So if that does happen again, on average we can see BigC go from $86, which is the peak, all the way down to maybe like $40, which I'm scared of, and I don't want to bag hold on this anymore. So I wholeheartedly think that I'm gonna sell my BigC position after we retest on Monday or Tuesday on these highs. I'm gonna sell out, and I'm probably gonna go from there. I'm letting you guys know right now. I think BigC has been a really good player for these run-ups, but it just doesn't want to move anymore. And especially looking at the SPY, there is a chance that we can dip even more on the SPY, which would just make BigC dip even lower. Yeah, but I think I'm going to be selling my position in BigC, and TA does not look good as far as right now. It keeps creating lower lows, lower highs. As far as unless there's some huge news on BigC, there's no reason to be holding anymore. And I think I am going to be selling at my break even, or probably a little bit higher. But if we do hit $81 again, I'm probably going to sell, and just kind of do it at break even and put it into